Hey educators, struggling to teach cyber safety in a way that actually sticks with your students? You're not alone. And that's why AiToolslink is here with 6 powerful AI tools that make teaching cybersecurity interactive, fun, and truly effective. Whether you're working with high schoolers or college students, these tools can help you transform complex topics into real-world lessons your class will never forget. Let's jump in and trust us. Tool 3 is key. Tool 1. Name Cyber Patriot AI Coach. Feature AI-powered cybersecurity simulator. Benefit: turn students into digital defenders through real-time practice. Kick things off with Cyber Patriot AI Coach, an AI training platform that simulates live cyber threats in a classroom-safe environment. Students are assigned roles in a cybersecurity team, and the AI generates realistic scenarios, like phishing attacks or firewall breaches. According to Mr. Ramirez, a high school teacher in Texas, my students finally understood firewalls and malware because they lived it in this simulation. It's hands-on, high stakes, and unforgettable. Tool 2. Name NetWise EDU. Feature AI chatbot for digital safety Q&A. Benefit: boosts student confidence with 24/7 learning support. Next up is NetWise EDU, your AI-powered classroom assistant. This chatbot answers student questions about privacy, passwords, or deepfakes in plain English. No tech jargon, no shame in asking. Ms. Patel, a cybersecurity educator in the UK, says, NetWise helps students feel safe asking questions they were too embarrassed to ask me in class. Empower your learners. Give them a cyber safety buddy that's always available. Tool 3. Name Threat Scope. AI feature, AI threat detector, and case study builder. Benefit: brings real-world threats into classroom discussions. Tool 3 is key, because this one helps you teach like a pro. ThreatScope AI scans recent cyber incidents and creates classroom-ready case studies tailored to your curriculum. 1 week, it could be ransomware. The next, a social engineering breach. Students analyze and discuss it in real time. Mrs. Chen in Singapore told us, my students were stunned to learn how an actual hospital got hacked, and they couldn't stop talking about it. It's not theory, it's what's really happening. Tool 4. Name SafeSurf Game Lab. Feature: AI-generated educational games. Benefit: turns passive learners into cyber-savvy players. Don't skip Tool 4. If you've got gamers in your classroom, this is your gold mine. SafeSurf Game Lab lets you create custom games where students play through scenarios, like spotting phishing links or managing fake news. Dr. Miller from Canada used it to boost participation. Attendance shot up on game days. And the best part? They remembered the safety rules. Gamify your lessons and watch students light up with excitement and knowledge. Tool 5. Name Ethos AI. Feature: deepfake and misinformation detector. Benefit: trains students to spot fake content and protect truth. Teaching digital literacy. Meet your new co-teacher, Ethos AI. This tool analyzes media, videos, and articles, and tells students whether something has been manipulated by AI. Mr. Akande in Nigeria used it during a lesson on deepfakes. They were shocked at how realistic a fake video could be. Ethos showed them the digital fingerprints. It's an eye-opener, and it teaches students how to question the screen. Tool 6. Name Guardian Classroom. Feature: AI behavioral monitor for online safety. Benefit: keeps students safe while learning. Finally, let's talk safety in the digital classroom. Guardian Classroom uses AI to flag risky student behavior, like sharing personal info or accessing sketchy sites, without invading privacy. It works in the background and alerts you only when needed, and I claim. Ms. Hodge from New Zealand says, it's like having a second pair of eyes keeping my students safe, even when I can't. Peace of mind, plus proactive teaching, hauncher smarter digital citizens. And there you have it. 6 AI tools that are changing the way we teach cyber safety. From simulators and chatbots to deepfake detectors and game labs, these tools make cybersecurity real, relevant, and rewarding for your students. Thanks for watching AiToolslink. If you found something helpful today, give us a like, subscribe for more AI-powered teaching tools, and drop a comment below. What's your go-to strategy for teaching? Online safety? Let's build safer, smarter classrooms together.